Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Flawless Shanti, and I know it's been a long time, so I was just like going through some stuff, I guess, family stuff, but I am back and I have a new subscription. It is Curl Kit, if you can't see, Curl Kit. So this was really weird though, because I don't know, I got an email and it's like, it's one of those subscriptions where you gotta be on a wait list until I guess they open enrollment. It was really weird. Then I did it and they like took my money, and then I got like no confirmation email, no nothing to say that I was subscribed, nothing to say that I was getting the box or anything, no tracking numbers or anything. This just showed up on my snap. Like, it was really weird. But I'm happy I have it though. I have not opened it yet. I'll take it out the packaging and then this is it. I am happy that I do have it, but it was just really strange, the process. But this is it. So it looks like this. Let me give you a gist of what Curl Kit is. So you get different products in a box, clearly. Every month it's $25. It's including shipping. And you get like different products and brands each month to try new stuff. And this is what it looks like here. And then let's go ahead and open it up. Put it right here. And this is what it looks like. It is like sealed, closed. Like this. And this says on the front, Nature's Protein. It says wavy, curly, and coily coconut restore. That's what it says. I'm assuming that's the brand, is the Nature's Protein. I'll open it up with you guys. Let's take this wrapper thingy off here. I can get it open, right? Okay. On top here, there's this. This says Coconut Restore, and it tells you, I guess, the different products they have. I'm not sure which of these products are in there, but this is what's on here. It says for multicultural hair. I don't know. Cleansing, conditioning, treat and restore, style. It's different kind of like different products they have throughout the brand. It also has this in here. This says Curl Life Anniversary Edition Curl Restore. I'm not sure what's in here. Let's look. Oh wait. So it gives you, okay, this is the product. Oh wow, it's a lot of stuff in here. So this is, I want to sit this down. Ooh, this is the Curl Life thing. I guess Coconut Restore is the one. Is this one? And it has all the products in here too. All the products are in here, and it gives you like just about all the products. Okay, interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna open this up to this page so I can reference to it if need be. I'm gonna start with what's in here that I have. So I'm gonna start off with this here. This is the Coconut Restore Cream. And it says, oh, cream conditioner cleanser. This is it says, free of sulfates, parabens, and artificial dyes, free of petroleum and mineral oils. This looks like this. Assuming it's probably coconut. Let's smell it. It smells good. It smells like coconut. I think everything here is all coconut, so it smells like coconut. It probably all smell the same. But this is that. And then let's see what's in here. Then there is some coconut cocktail curling mousse. Like this. And this just says same thing. Free of sulfates, parabens, artificial dyes. All that stuff. Yeah, this, wait. Can you see that? This is like, it's open. I don't know exactly, but this is like really moist. This is open. I don't have to figure this out. Why is it spilling like that? But it's definitely open. Okay. Moving right along. And this is the Triple Butter Curl Moisture Cream. Smells good. And this is like this. I don't even know what half this stuff is even for. Mango butter, shea butter, and coconut oil gives your curly or textured hair moisture definition and control. Hydrates hair to prevent breakage and damage during styling. Great for twists braids and curly style. So it's just like a kind of like a twist and cream. And then we also have some texture and volume spray. Don't know what this is supposed to do for me. I don't know. I don't do things that pertain to volume. It says boost soft curls and waves, add body and volume to protecting your hair from frizz while creating a free foam style formulated with coconut oils, almond oils, and it protects and hydrates. It works with curly to wave, refresher, light hold with no buildup. Interesting. This says moisture and shine mist. I don't know. I've never seen like half these products before ever. So well, none of these, but like the idea of these two that I just read out, I've never even thought about. Let me see what is this again? Moisture and shine mist. This says, I'm trying to read what it says. Oh, here it goes. The moisture and shine mist replenishes curls and natural moisture, hair balance while improving elasticity and shine. A lightweight sprayable natural oil blender infused with coconut oil, argan oil. Jojoba oil is the ultimate shine to protect your hair from frizz and heat. Interesting. There's also these little things of this is a leave-in conditioner. This is Curl Control leave-in conditioner. I think there's two of them. I thought I saw two. Yeah, there's two. So there's two of these little things like that. And then there's these little coconut oil packets. There's two of these as well too. And the last thing in here is the hair strengthening tonic. Looks like this. And it says where does it say? Nope. Oh, there we go. It says the cashmere hair softening tonic developed to soften hair fibers and make hair more manageable and make it easy to style managing specific active ingredients, protein, and strengthening hair. Improve detangling and conditioning, formulated with a blend of coconut oil, cashmere extract, white phony extract, and polymers that works more conditions to soften hair to soft and bounce back curls and waves. Interesting. I've never even would think of something like that. But that's what I got on my curl kit this month. This is my first time getting curl kit. Will I try these products? Yes. I'm most interested about the these here. I don't know why. I have no idea why, but like the strengthening tonic and this texture volume spray and the shine moisture mixture, I wouldn't even think to use stuff like this in my hair. But I'm definitely going to try it out. This probably just seems like any other, butter. But this has mango, shea, and coconut butter. I'm going to try this stuff. I mean, I'm pretty excited to try it. There isn't a shampoo in here, which is not bad, I guess. But and this too, because I don't know. Recently my best friend did a hairstyle on me, and I thought like maybe if I had some curling mousse, it would stay better. And maybe I'll try it again when I use this, see how it works out. But overall, I think I got pretty good stuff. I think this is worth my $25. So I'm excited. I'm excited to try this and see where it goes. See if I like it. See what excited for the next month. See what I get then. All that kind of stuff. So I'm happy with my curl kit that I got. I'm pretty excited about it. I think the whole idea of like being on a wait list for a subscription box is crazy. I know that some makeup brands do it, and other I think I'm still on the wait list for Curlbox. This is Curl Kit. Yeah, Curlbox. I'm still on the wait list for that, and it's just like being on the wait list is ridiculous. Hopefully you guys like this video and you try this subscription out. And you're not on the wait list super long, because I was on the wait list super long for this one, so that was good. But try it out, give it a try, and don't forget to follow my socials as flawless_me with 3 E's, and like, comment, subscribe. Remember that self-love is the best love, and I will see you guys in my next video.